If you're seeing the itch.io error 403, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you two simple fixes that solve the issue for a lot of people. This error usually happens when your browser cache is corrupted, your cookies are outdated, or your itch.io desktop app needs to be updated. So if you've been locked out or keep getting a 403 message, stay with me and we'll fix it step by step. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. First, let's start with the easiest solution, clearing your browser or app cache. If you're using itch.io in your browser, go to the top right corner and click the three dots icon. From the menu, click Delete Browsing Data. A new window will open with different cleanup options. Here, make sure you select cookies and cache because those are the most common causes of access errors like this. Once those boxes are selected, click Delete Data. After that, close your browser completely and reopen it. Then try loading itch.io again. In many cases, this alone is enough to fix the 403 error. If you're using the itch.io desktop app, the same idea applies. The app can store old session data and that can interfere with your login or connection. Clearing the cache or reinstalling the app can give you a fresh start and remove damaged files that may be causing the problem. So if the browser fix doesn't solve it, move on to the next step. The second fix is to update the itch.io desktop app. If the desktop app is throwing a 403 login error, it may simply be outdated. Go to the official itch.io app download page and download the newest version of the installer. Then fully reinstall the app on your computer. This matters because newer versions often include Cloudflare and Authentication patches that help the app connect properly again. When you reinstall, make sure you close the old app completely before running the installer. After the installation finishes, launch the updated app and sign in again with your account. A clean reinstall can solve problems caused by old files, broken authentication, or outdated connection settings. If the error still appears after these two steps, it's worth checking whether your browser extensions, VPN, or security software might be interfering with the connection. Sometimes those tools block login requests or trigger security checks that result in a 403 error. But in most cases, clearing cache and updating the app will solve it. So to recap, the first fix is to clear your browser cookies and cache, and the second fix is to update and reinstall the itch.io desktop app. These are the fastest ways to get rid of the itch.io error 403 and get back to using the platform normally. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy fixes, app tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.